What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be doing a door cleanup kit for the Tacoma. This company also makes it for 4RUNNERs, so if you guys want it, it's going to be in the description box below. Basically what that is you could tell right here it's silver, so at the end of this video it's going to be nice and blacked out. Another thing, as you notice right here, it's also silver. That's going to be blacked out. And then right here, it's going to look nice and clean. You guys will see why. So it's going to be a super simple install. This is mainly like more of an aesthetic mod, but it still looks great and it's super affordable. Let's go ahead and now get into the video and I'll show you guys what comes inside the package and how to install it. Let's do it. Alright, you guys, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys exactly what comes inside the package, and then we'll go ahead and get to the install. Super easy. So looking on this side right here, basically what these little cap things are, these are going to be going over the screws on the doors. So depending, of course, if you have a 4-door, it's going to come with 12 plus 3 extra. And then, of course, if you only have a 2-door, it's only going to come with 6 with 3 extra. They give you 3 just in case you mess these up, which is pretty cool. Another thing it's going to come with is looking right here. These are going to be the door lock covers. These are going to just kind of black it out, make it look nice and clean. It's going to be super easy to install. The next thing that you're going to get is you're going to get 4 of these hinge covers. Of course, like I said, same thing. If you guys have a 4-door or a 2-door, it's going to be different, but that's what it comes with. And it's also going to come with some alcohol prep pads. You're going to need this. It's for each door, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Since I have a 4-door, this is just going to help you out to clean it up, because all this is going to be sticked on, just kind of like with double-sided tape. Let's do it. So of course, for each door, you're going to want to go ahead and get 3 of those little black caps, the circle ones. You're going to want to go ahead and get, of course, 1 of the hinge covers, and then you're going to want to go ahead and get 1 of the lock covers. We're going to go ahead and start with the lock cover. So basically what you're going to do is you get 2 of these per door, which these are just alcohol pads. So if you need more alcohol, say your car's really dirty, you can just go ahead and get some alcohol by yourself and get a microfiber towel and just wipe it down. So that's what I'm going to do. I already wiped it down, but I'm going to use their alcohol pad anyway. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean off the surface where the sticky is going to be. I'll show you guys where that goes right now. I'm just going to go ahead and clean the surface. Alright, so once you're satisfied with the cleaning job, you're going to grab your cover, which is the lock cover. So as you can tell, it has a cutout. It's basically going to just go right over. But looking on the back side, it's going to have that double-sided tape like I was telling you guys. All you have to do is just peel off the backing, which is red. So once you've uncovered the double-sided tape, you can then just slide it right over. Give it some firm pressure. Once you've gave it that firm pressure, it should stick, and now it looks nice and clean. As you can tell, it blacks it out. And this, if you really wanted to go to the extreme, you can go ahead and spray paint it, and it'll be nice and black. Let's go ahead and move on to the next. Alright, you guys, so for this next one, we're going to be installing the hinge cover. This one's super easy. You don't need to really clean it out, but if you want to, you could go ahead, just kind of wipe it down, since it is probably going to be dusty there. But that one doesn't really matter. Why? Because this one doesn't have double-sided tape. This one actually just clips into the existing little covers that are there. So let's go ahead and just pop it right over. As you can tell, that's how it looks before. Let's go ahead and do the after. Once you hear it click, that just means it's good to go. So there you go. As you can tell, that looks way better than it was. Let's go ahead and now move on to the next. Alright, you guys, so now we're going to be doing the last piece of this puzzle. It's going to be super easy. So basically we're going to be covering up these 3 screws right here. So as you can tell, they are silver. Once we install the little caps, it's going to be nice and black, so it's going to look super clean. So you want to go ahead and get your alcohol wiping pad. Go ahead and clean off the surface really good, as best as you can. The better you clean it, the better it's going to bond to the paint, and it won't fall. And then once you're satisfied, go ahead and grab your little 3 black caps. Of course, it's going to be 3 per door. Let's do it now. So grabbing 1 of the black caps, you're going to notice on the back it also has that double-sided tape. Go ahead and peel off the red backing to it, super easy like that. And then you're going to notice it has a cutout in the middle. That's because that's where the screw is going to go. So just center it and give it some firm pressure. Just like that, just like that, and just like that. Damn, as you can tell, super clean, super easy, nothing too hard, super simple. All right, you guys, so as you can tell, that was super simple, nothing too hard. So of course, the same exact steps that you did to this door, you want to go ahead and do it to all 4 doors. And if you have a 2-door, you just do it to the opposite side. But it's super easy, nothing too hard. And as you can tell, on this side, it looks super clean. Now it's all blacked out. On this side, it's really ugly. I need to get it done. So let's go ahead and move on to this, but that's how you do it.
Super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.